Hello and welcome back to Juicy Prospecting. My name is Alexandra. I'm your guide in the outbound sales world, and today I would like to tell you how you can find emails for free. There are a few ways on how to do it. We can use tools for that, and then there are some other tricks on how you can generate emails for your prospects. Now let's start with the tricks that help you to find emails without any tools or with the help of some tools. And the first one would be if you have a big network on LinkedIn and you have a lot of connections and you know that some of your prospects are in your network, then LinkedIn, the basic features of LinkedIn give you the opportunity to export all your connections. And if the person didn't restrict to show their emails, then you will be able to download an archive of all your connections together with the name, with the title and the company, and with the email if the person doesn't say that they don't want to show it. It doesn't give you too many emails. I think I did once an export of all my connections. At that time I had around 2,000 something connections, and I got around 50-60 emails out of all the connections. So just try it, maybe it will help you. If not, then let's move on to the second step. If you don't want to use any tools or databases to get the emails, you know that usually all the companies have a template when they onboard a new employee, and you can guess the template. So it's either first name dot last name at domain, or it's just first name at domain, and so on. And basically you can guess the template, or you can figure out the template and then basically generate the emails based on the template for your prospects. I recommend you a tool for that. I recommend to use Name to Email. This is an extension that works with Gmail, and how you use it is you enter the first name space, last name space, and then at domain. And then what it does, it gives you all the different variations of email templates with these variables that you put in. And then what you can do is you can take your mouse and hover over every email, and then if it's associated with the Google account, that most people are using G Suite, you will see that this is the right email. Sometimes people also upload their pictures to their Gmail account, and then you can also compare it with LinkedIn. And this is a great help if you don't have any resources for tools or databases. You can always refer to that method. It's pretty easy and quick. You just need to enter every time the first name, last name, and domain when you're drafting a message. And this is how you would be able to verify if the email exists or not. Now let's move on to tools that provide emails and that you can use for free. I've picked the most popular ones and the ones that give you at least 50 free emails per month. I didn't pick, there are hundreds of tools that provide emails, and some of them give you 5 credits per month, some of them give you 10 credits per month. I took the ones which have at least 50. Now the first one is Hunter.io. It gives you 50 free searches per month. And the next one is Find It Email. It gives you 50 searches per month. Voila Norbert, I'm not sure if I pronounce it right, but it gives you 50 searches per month with the trial. Same with Find It Lead, Snow.io. Then we have An Email Finder. It gives you 90 credits per month. Contact Out gives you 100 credits. Scrap.io gives you 150 credits. Now most of them give you the free credits as a trial. Some of them renew every month, so check out all the tools, which one you like more in terms of user interface, in terms of the quality of the leads. All of them, except for an email finder, have a Google Chrome extension to use it with LinkedIn. Basically, when you open a LinkedIn profile and you click on the extension, it will give you the data on that specific person. So basically, it's up to you which one you're going to use. Maybe you're going to use all of them because you need a lot of emails. Check out the pricing for the following months. Maybe you would like to invest in a tool, then I would rather test the one that I'm going to use further on. And one thing I would like to point out is all the emails that you get, you still need to verify them. You know, there are a lot of tools like Never Bounce, Zero Bounce, Million Verifier, and so on who do email verification, but they're paid. And in this video we're talking about free tools. In terms of free tools, you can use Mail Tester. They have a single email verification that comes for free, so you can enter each email and verify if they're okay, if they're valid or not. And I think with Zero Bounce and Never Bounce, there's also a trial that gives you a specific amount of credits to use for the first month. So if you have some prospects and you really need the emails, but you don't have the resources at this point, there is always a chance to get the emails. Would it be using a database or one of the tools that I mentioned, or just doing it manually by finding the emails using name to email, LinkedIn, or other sources. Of course, if it's a high value prospect, someone who you really want to get after, then you can use all available resources. You can research the person on Facebook, on LinkedIn, check if they have the email on their website. If you can't find anything, you can even reach out to someone at info@ or contact@ and ask them for the email of the specific person you need. So these are the tips to find emails for free. Let me know if you have any questions about those tools. Now, if this was useful for you, please give it a like and comment if you have something to say. Thank you and see you soon. Bye bye.